Thanks for dropping by. So, profit and loss. A trader bought 200 handbags for 38,000 naira and sold them at 250 naira each. How much was her profit? So, 200 bags equal to, she bought them at 38,000. Now she sold 250 each. So, 38 and sold them at 250 each, which means the 200 bags times 250 each, which is equal to 50,000 naira. So this is what she bought it, this is what she sold it. So what is the profit? The profit is 50 minus 38, which is equal to this minus this equal to 12. So she made a profit of 12,000. So this is how to do this. So this is number one. So let's go to the next one. So our number two says, if a discount of 7.5% is allowed on a book that costs 800 naira, what will be the sale price? So this is how we solve this. 100 over 100 minus, because discount is actually reduction in price. So minus 7.5, which is 2 times 7, 14, plus 1, 15, which is 15 over 2, times your 800, which is the cost price. So this is what we do. We have 100 over 100 minus this. Let's solve this. 15 over 2 times 800. So let's just solve this fraction. This is what I mean. 100 over 1 minus 15 over 2. The LCM is what? 2. 2 here, 2. 2 times 100, 200, minus 2 here, 1. 1 times 15, 15. 200 minus 15, 185 over 2. So let's not forget our 100. So we'll have 100 over 185 over 2 times 800. Don't be confused. So this is, let's just turn it the other way. This is what I mean. 100 over, we'll have 100 over 1 times this 185 will come out from here. We can't solve it this way. So write it this way. 185 over 2 times 800. Now let's cross multiply the stuff. We'll have this times is 185 over 100 times 2, 100 times 2 times 800. So this will cancel this cancel this 4. So the answer is 740. So the book he sells at 800. If he's giving a discount of 7.5, this is what the price actually is, 740 naira. So now let's go to number 3, which says, a trader made a loss of 10% on a bicycle he sold for 50,400 naira. If he had sold it for 63,000, what would have been his percentage gain? What would have been his percentage gain? And so what do we mean by this? His loss is what? His loss is 10%. So this is how to solve this. 100 over 100 minus 10, the loss 10. Because it's a loss. If it was a gain, we would have just put plus the gain, but it's a loss. So times the selling price, which is 50,400. So this is it, 100 over this minus this 90 times 50,400. This cancel this, and we're left with this times this is 54 over 9, which is equal to 56. So this is the cost price. This is the cost price. Don't forget that they said we should find out the percentage gain if he had sold it at this. Now we've just found the cost price. So how do we get the percentage gain? It will be percentage gain at 63. So it will be 63,000 minus the cost price, 56,000, which is 7,000. So this is the profit. Now, so how do we solve the percentage gain? Becomes profit over cost price times 100. What is the profit? 7,000. 7,000 over cost price is 56,000 times 100. This cancel this cancel this. So 700 divided by 56 is 12.5%. So this is its percentage gain on this. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please. Now let's go to second to the last one, which says a maker bought 50 machines at a cost of 1,000 naira each. He sold 1/10 of the machine at 1,500 each, and the remaining at 1,050 naira each. Calculate his total gain on the transaction. So 50 machines at 50 machines, 50 machines, 1,000 each, which is equal to 50 times 1,000, which is 50,000, is equal to 50,000. So this is what he bought the 50 machines. So this is his cost price. So now they said he sold 1/10. He sold 1/10, 1/10, 1/10 of the 50, 1/10 of the 50, which means he sold five. So he sold five at 1,500 each. Five at 1,500 each, which is equal to 1,500 times 5, which is equal to 7,500. So he has sold five out of 50 machines. We have what left? We have 45 machines left. And this 45, he sold each at 1,050 naira. So 45 times 1,050 naira is equal to 47,250. So this means he sold the 50 machines at its selling price for the boat is this plus this, which is 47,250 plus 75, which is equal to 47,750, which is equal to 47 this. So this is 0, 5, this plus this 7, 4, 54. So he sold the 50 machines at 54,750. So what is his profit? His profit, he bought at 50,000, he sold at 54. So the profit is just 54,750 over minus 50,000, which is equal to 4,000 naira. So this is his profit. This is his profits on this transaction. So let's solve for the last one. Please don't rush off. I have one for you to try out, please. So the last one is just this. So we solve it like this: 100 over 100 plus 25 plus, because it's a gain. Because it's a gain, so it's plus. Then times the amount. How much is it? 75. 75. So we have 100 over 125 times 75, which is 25 here is 4, 25 here is 5. So we are left with this times this will be 30,000 over 5, which is equal to 6,000. So this is what he actually bought the shirt, which he sold at this. So he made a profit. So this is the. So please try this out. A man bought a house for 80 million naira and later sold it for 92 million naira. What percentage profit did he make? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.